This is the safety test for the vertical and horizontal bandsaw. Just like every tool in the shop, you need safety glasses. Whenever you're working in the shop, you need safety glasses. The blades on these saws can break. When the blades on these saws break, they make this noise. Oops. They make that noise. Everyone looks at you. You panic. You point at someone else. No one believes you. They know it was you. You should turn off the saw. Wait until the saw comes to a complete stop. It's going to be making noise. When it stops making noise, come and get me if I haven't already arrived on site. Then I will change the blade for you. How did that get there? When making a long cut that you want to back out on the bandsaw, make the long cut, turn off the saw with the blade at a complete stop, then we will back out. The bandsaw has two wheels. The bandsaw only rotates in a single direction. If you back out of a cut with it running, sawdust can fall in behind the blade and pull that blade off. If it pulls that blade off, it's going to come flying off this wheel and you're going to have a blade coming towards you. Never back out of a cut on a bandsaw that's running. You could hurt yourself. Never make adjustments on a running bandsaw. Turn it off, wait for it to come to a complete stop, and then we can come in and we can make our adjustments. Your finger should always be at least 2 inches away from the blade. What's 2 inches? About the length of your thumb. Your safety rest should always be at least a 1/4 inch away from, no more than a 1/4 inch away from your material. Like the size of a pencil. Your smallest finger should never fit underneath. That way, we know your smallest fingers never fit underneath. Okay, to adjust the safety rest, you come here. Never more than a 1/4 inch. This is the guard. If the guard isn't working correctly, we don't use the saw. Simple as that. This is also a guard. If this guard's missing, we don't use a saw. What is this guard over here for? It's protecting the blade as it travels upwards. If this guard is missing, we do not use the saw. I've seen bandsaws where this guard is missing. Always ask my permission before using this saw. You would never want to cut round material on the saw, like a broom handle. If I came in with something round and I pushed it into this blade traveling down, the moment it touched that blade traveling downwards, it would start to spin. My natural instinct was to hold on tight. I'm going to hold on tight, it's going to spin, it's going to twist, I'm going to break that blade. It's going to get scary. If I'm cutting long material on this saw, it's going to want to fall off the table. That long material is going to need to be supported as I cut the material. This is the horizontal bandsaw. It's for metalworking. The horizontal bandsaw has a hydraulic arm on it. It's right here. I can adjust the hydraulic arm on the horizontal bandsaw. You want to adjust it depending on the type of metal you're cutting. It gives you a speed rate. Something like solid steel would cut at a different rate than aluminum. This is very important. On the horizontal bandsaw, we have a clamp. All material must be clamped in the horizontal bandsaw. We cannot freehold material in the horizontal bandsaw.